In this video, we will be implementing this given Boolean expression using CMOS. So, in the previous video, I have told what are the steps, so I am not going to repeat the steps. So, directly I will be trying to do it. So, let us see. So, how to do this? First is implement this using NMOS, and for NMOS you need to remember multiplication, that means series, and positive, that means your parallel. So, just you need to remember this thing. So, write in a corner, so it will be easy for you. Okay, first for NMOS we will be doing it. So, first you can see there is A plus B plus C, that means 3 inputs will be in 3 inputs will be in your parallel. Okay, so I will take one input here, so that is my NMOS symbol. There will be another input here, that will be my PMOS symbol, and then there will be another input, that is NMOS for C. Okay, so they are connected in parallel, so just connect it, both the side you connect it. So I will be writing this as my A, this is my B, and this is my C. Now this is in dot or AND gate with the D. So how to do that? So all this combination, so that will be again one more MOSFET will be there, that is NMOS, and this will be your D, right. So this side will be connecting the VDD, sorry, this is the NMOS, no. So this side it will be connected as ground or the lower voltage. So this side it will be connected to ground. Next is what we have to implement using PMOS. So in PMOS, what I said, it will be exactly opposite that we have done in case of NMOS. So A, B and C are in, so you can see A, B, C are in parallel, and for PMOS what will happen? So A, that is my A, then this is my B, sorry, so this will be your B, and again your C, A, B, C, they will be in series. Then ABC parallel was connected in series the D. In this case, ABC series will be connected in parallel with your D. So this is parallels and this input is your D. Okay. Now how to connect between them? So the connection will be, you can make like this. So this side will be giving the VDD. So remember, this is the source side for all the, this is the source side and this is the drain side. So you can do it in the reverse way also, you can do in the reverse way also, that will be also same case. Okay, so this is how you can implement the Boolean expression using CMOS for this particular expression. In the next video we will see some other examples.